So basically what they're doing is they're just tearing up the tile, patching it where the concrete cracked. Once that's done, then the carpet in the offices will be replaced. And then from there, we're going to start in the media center, replacing all the carpet in there. What I love about my job is, starting a job from start to finish, and at the end, I can see, what I've got accomplished, and everybody else can see it too.
The old saying in building services, kids are out, we're in. So that gives us a small window to do large-scale projects like this that'll have great impact for the students and staff when school reopens. This type of large-scale project would be impossible during the school year. Right now, all of the air conditioning and ventilation for the building has to be shut down during this process, and it'll remain shut down for roughly 2 weeks. And you really can't do that during the school year.